What is Newbury like in 2026? I'm here right now in West Berkshire's potentially finest city or a town. Either way, it's huge and there's loads of shops. It's like a massive high street, but I'm here to basically explore. So if you fancy coming on a journey that's going to be mostly POV, seeing what we see down the high street, inside some shops, and I don't know, just a few little bits and bobs. Like, get this random fact, like there's a canal that literally runs right through this this city, which I think it used to be like the Amazon Prime in the 1800s or the 1900s. Please, ChatGPT, don't do me wrong there, and you guys let me know and educate me. But yeah, we're gonna have a little look through, guys, and see what we see in Newbury. Good morning, folks. This is Newbury. We're just gonna take a little walk around. Excuse me, my love. Is this the main bit of Newbury, or am I better off starting up?
I'm so sorry, I'm deaf.
Oh, okay, no worries. We're off to a great start. To my understanding, because I parked down there, I'm pretty sure, like, there's a car park down there, there's a charity shop there, and then we've got areas to go down here and areas to go down there. This is the marketplace, bus stations to the right, the arcade, the shopping centre. Pretty much everything is going on up here. The stuff that I'm trying to do on YouTube, I want it to be a lot less face on and just more listening. I feel like people don't just want to see people's faces constantly. Also, I don't really know much about history. I'm quite thick in that, so anything that I learn is better. Please respect those who gave their lives. Do not park bicycles in front of this memorial.
Someone will be like, oh, I'll see him.
We can walk through here, can't we? Oh, morning, guys. You all right?
Oh, you're right, mate. Yeah.
Can't walk down that bit. I'll have to keep walking up. Look at these. This is mad. There's not much else to show into this part of it, really. It's kind of funny that people that drink alcohol choose churches to sit in. Morning, mate. Yeah, it's pretty peaceful around here. It's quiet, isn't it? Quite a little town, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it quite a nice area as well?
I wouldn't say that.
I'm so glad I'm here. Right, sweet. Tell you what, there's a load of space down here. Like, it is like, look at that. You got like a little bit up there. I thought he was taking a picture of me. And then we've got loads down here. Oh my God. Temptations. I think Temptations is, what's mad about this shop, I'm pretty sure this is the shop that had to discontinue selling Jellycats. And I'm almost certain that this was a shop that they'd had like a 25-year-long relationship with Jellycats for their business. They said that they sold like 300,000 in a year or something. It's last night. I feel like we've just walked by. Hang on. Sorry, attention's gone to whatever that sound was. This is probably the only Tesco I've ever seen that closes at 8 p.m. Literally, look at this. Have you ever seen a Tesco that closes at 8 p.m? No, you definitely don't. Ah, looks like Newbury's still got one of the remaining flipping Poundlands. Got to live your own movie, man. So there we go. Centre directory of all of the shops that we've actually got here. I think this is good when shopping centres will do this and show you what you've got. I'd like to know how updated they are. You know, like the shops that are vacant, are they still vacant? Has it been taken over by other shops? But I need to get away from the crying baby like now. I thought that we would just see what, you know, the end of the street looks like. So the population of Newbury is around about 45 to 50,000 people, which is actually pretty small. I have found out a few little fun facts for you. Firstly, the first ever text message was sent from Newbury. This is where Vodafone headquarters are, and that's where it was sent between two colleagues. Secondly, the person who wrote Paddington Bear is from Newbury. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. I think we're just coming to the end of the town now. Whoa. No appointments necessary. We can smash the front window in. That wasn't necessary either, I'm sure. Honestly, it's such a nice day as well. These are the sort of areas where you might just find like either a random little shop or just some sort of character. You never know. Look at that little house. It's an interesting little building, isn't it? There's some nice little shaped buildings around here as well. I'm gonna walk down the high street actually one more time, just so that we can capture a few more of the shops.
Must be something you can say. You can tell
go into Camp House and see what we see in this one. Whoa. This is an open shop, isn't it? Giving these away now, surely. 50% off original price. Mental. 24 quid. Mental. Ooh, they're interesting little eggs. Solid chocolate half egg. Support for Jamaica. We will be donating 10% of our branded jute shopping bag sales to support Jamaica. Actually, wow, I bet they're expensive. Let's have a look at Laura Ashley stuff. Standard pillowcase, what do you reckon? 20 quid? 25, yeah. Good for quality. I know that Super King, probably like 65? 95. Goose feather and down luxury duvet. Man, I actually could do a new duvet. I just don't want to carry one right now. Joseph. These probably might be really good quality ones. Got weight to it, huh? Be there 199 quid for a KitchenAid. Double Paroi, double paired kettle basically. Oh my god, I can see Jellycats in this store, guys. Just follow the turquoise signs. There's a mad tree in here. Whoa! Oh, I've seen these ones, these are quite funny. Little corduroy shovel. Oh my god. I need a watering can. Oh my god, I didn't know they did a backpack of the aubergine for 60. Oh my god. That's my brother's name. Archie. Yo, you're a Jellycat book, Arch. As far as Jellycats go, what are they? I thought that was a Jellycat mystery box. I was going to say I'd have to buy it and that would probably cost me a couple quid. Yeah, I want to know when people think that the penny's going to drop with Jellycat. Do you think it will, or do you think it's going to be here for a lot longer than we think? Please look after this bear, thank you. Oh, I got big welly boots on. Whoa. Big stormtrooper. Little Simba. Seed these, that's a mad thing. Hey mum, I got you flowers, but you're gonna have to build them first. The talking sorting out. Yo, that's jokes. I don't know how much these are. $17.99, and it's for 124 pieces. 764 pieces on that. Mad. What was that comment say? Look for the Jack of Newbury down the alleyway. Go to the. I don't know what the Jack of Newbury is, but we'll see exactly what it is in a moment. The Jack of Newbury. Oh, Jack Street. No through road. What's the whole thing with the Jack of Newbury then? It's a random little thing. Can you see that? It says the Jack Street. No through road, so I'm not sure what that was. This has been Newbury, guys. Just an anonymous street in Newbury, really.